Hi, this is Chinmay and today on the channel I am actually reviewing the volumizing hot rollers Luxe by T3, and this actually is an Allure Best of Beauty Award winner from 2016. This is a highly loved hot roller tool. So I'm going to try it out for the first time. This is the first ever time I'm actually trying out any hot roller on my hair. So let me take you right in. Hang on, let me correct this. Let me tell you first off, this is also world voltage. I am really loving this. I didn't see these many tools with international voltage when I was shopping last year. So this also comes with its own bag, which is nice and handy, and these clips that you can actually use so that you can, put up your rollers and hold them so that there are no creases in your hair. So let me see if this can actually give me the volume that I wish for when I want it. So there are 8 rollers and 2 different sizes as far as I see, and as soon as you switch on, these 2 lights come up, and I'm going to see how long they take to heat up. So apparently this gray dot on the top now indicates that it's ready to use, and I'm going to be picking up one of the large rollers and just testing it to see if I can actually pick it up. And yep, it is. You can hold it. That's quite interesting actually. What I'm going to do, okay, I didn't prep this properly. Hang on. So I have a rough front section which I will now divide into 2 so that I can just take the front portion here and pick this up, roll this around. I may have taken a bit much, then hold this up with the clip. Okay, I have not done a good job. Yeah, let's see. And that's kinda that. I'm not, as I said, I'm using these hot rollers for the first time. I'm taking the section right behind it and putting on the next roller and clipping this up. This should actually go. It's about 7 to 8 minutes, I would say, since I've been kind of holding this up, and it's really hot, and I'm not too comfortable with the fact that it's this close and this hot to my scalp, and that's sitting that close to my scalp for this extended period of time might actually be defeating the purpose over long time usage. So I'm just going to be removing these. I presume there are people who know how to do this well, and it's definitely not me. So this is generally the front portion of my hair after having used this. So this is generally the front side of my hair. It hasn't given me the lift, even though I did use a product. I used the Living Proof Perfect Hair Day volumizing hairspray. Perhaps if I leave it for its entire time, it would give me the volume that I need and the bounce that I need. But for me, I'm not too comfortable with something that hot being that close to my scalp. And that said, I am probably not going to be holding on to this one, but I'm sure it works for people who have denser, thicker hair. And I shall continue my search for the perfect hair volumizing tool, which I might probably already have in the Revlon one. But I keep looking for newer stuff and see if something can actually give me some nice mega dramatic Hollywood volume. I'll keep looking for something like that. Until I see you in my next video, this is Chinmay saying goodbye.